AI can write your essays. AI can paint your pictures. AI can compose your music. AI can mimic your voice. AI can even predict your behavior. But AI can't die for you. And that changes everything. We're living in this weird moment where machines can do things we thought only humans could do. And if we're not careful, we'll start letting algorithms tell us what makes us human. That's not just a tech problem, that's a theology problem. King David, a shepherd and a poet, looked up at the night sky thousands of years ago and asked a question that echoes in our own time. In Psalm 8, he wrote, "What is man that you are mindful of him, or the Son of Man that you care for him? You made him a little lower than the angels. You crowned him with glory and honor." Notice what he said, a little lower than the angels, not a little higher than the algorithms. Our value isn't found in how we measure up to our own creations. It's found in the fact that the creator of the universe is mindful of us. AI learns by recognizing patterns in massive amounts of data. It's a powerful form of machine learning, but it's not the same as human learning. AI can process information, but it can't truly understand it. It lacks consciousness, genuine creativity, moral reasoning, and spiritual awareness. It can tell you what is, but it can't tell you what ought to be. The danger is when we start letting AI define our capabilities, and by extension, our worth. AI says, "You're what you produce." Jesus says, "You're who I created." AI says, "Your worth is in your output." Jesus says, "Your worth was settled at the cross." AI measures productivity. God measures the heart. In our book, we see one of the students, Maya, get worried that AI will make human creativity obsolete. But she learns an important lesson. AI is a tool that can reflect human intelligence, but it can never replicate the human soul. It can't love, it can't sacrifice, it can't have a relationship with its creator. We are made in the image of God, the Imago Dei. That means we have inherent dignity and worth that has nothing to do with our abilities or our accomplishments. As Psalm 139 says, we are fearfully and wonderfully made. So how do we live this out? First, do an identity check this week. Notice when you start to define yourself by your productivity, your grades, or your social media likes, instead of by God's unwavering love for you. Second, start a conversation with your family or friends. Ask, what do you think makes humans special compared to AI? You might be surprised by the answers. And third, create a screen-free space. Just one moment each day, with no algorithms, no notifications, just real human connection. The algorithm might know your patterns, but God knows your name. And one of those will be forgotten when the servers shut down. The other, it's engraved on the palm of his hand. That's a promise from Isaiah 49:16. And it's a promise that no machine can ever make. Let's hold on to that truth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next awesome adventure. See you in the next video.